Project 2, Task 1. On the total cookie sales worksheet in cell B3, use structure references in a formula to calculate the sum of the chocolate mint chip cookies sold. On the total cookie sales worksheet in cell B3, use structured references in a formula to calculate the sum of the chocolate mint chips cookie sold. Chocolate mint chip cookies sold. Okay, so you click on the total cookie sales worksheet and select cell B3. That's selected. Now in the formula bar you type equals to sum and open the bracket. Then you click on the sales by club worksheet. So chocolate mint chip is here, the column. So just over your mouse on this column. Once it changes to this arrow, as you can see that black arrow, just click OK. Now you can see it as shown here in the formula bar, and you now press the enter key. Okay, now shows the total here. The sum as 1366. Okay, now task 1 mark completed. Then task 2, create the name range blazing bikes from all of the blue cells in the total cookies sold column on the sales by club worksheet. Create the named range blazing underscore bikes from all of the blue cells in the total cookies sold column on the sales by club worksheet. Okay, so do this. Go to the sales by club worksheet. Now select the sales by club worksheet. That's selected. Then in the total cookies sold column, all of the blue cells. So just scroll down. Okay, right here you scroll down. When you come across the blue, okay. Okay, so just go back and start selecting. So from cell I-17, just click and press down the control key. And click the second cell in the range, the first. Okay, press the control key down and click, select I-17 and I-18, I-19 and I-20. So just go down a bit and we have as I-24 and I-25, and scroll down a bit. So we have I-36 and I-37. Okay, and from there you go to the formulas bar. In the defined names group, you select name manager and select new. Okay, so here you just name this blazing underscore bikes. Blazing underscore bikes. Okay, so let's okay, and again you close. Okay, that's done. Close dialog box. Okay, that is done. Task 2 mark completed. Now task 3, join cell I1 to the merged cells A1 through H1 of the sales by club worksheet. Do not change the alignment of the content. Join cell I1 to the merged cells A1 through H1 of the sales by club worksheet. Do not change the alignment of the content. Okay, to do this, so you go to the sales by club worksheet. Okay, select it. So now just move on to cell I1. Okay, I1 is right here. So you select that with A through A1 through A1 through AH. Okay, so that's been selected. So from A1 to AH, then down to I1. Okay, so you go to the home tab to make this. Go to the home tab in the alignment group. You have merge and center. Click on drop down arrow and select merge cells. Okay, merge cells. So you can see. So A1 to I1 have been merged now. So do not change the alignment of the content. Okay, task 3 mark completed. Now task 4. Apply the pattern color light gray background to darker 10% with the pattern style thin diagonal cross hatch to cell range A3 through A8 on the total cookie sales worksheet. Apply the pattern color light gray background to darker 10% with the pattern style thin diagonal cross hatch to cell range A3 through A8 on the total cookie sales worksheet. So you go to the total cookies sales worksheet, total cookie sales worksheet. Okay, so you select cell A3, okay, right there through A8, okay, A3 through A8, A3 through A8, A3 through A8. Okay, so to apply this, go to the home tab in the font group. You click on the dialog box launcher. So you have format cells dialog box. Okay, right here select fill tab, then you have the pattern color. So you click on the drop down arrow, then pattern color light gray background 2, light gray background 2 darker 10%. Okay, light gray background 2 darker 10%. Already selected. And pattern style thin diagonal cross hatch. Okay, thin diagonal cross hatch. Okay, that's done. I click OK as well. Okay, task 4 mark completed. Now task 5. On the sales by club worksheet, configure the table to display only record of the Blazing Bikes club members by filtering the cell color blue. Okay, complete this task last. Note, complete this task last. On the sales by club worksheet, configure the table to display only records of the Blazing Bikes club members by filtering by the cell color blue. Note, complete this task last. Okay, that's what we're doing last. And it's the last task in the project. Okay, so we'll go to the sales by club worksheet. Okay, so to display only records of the Blazing Bikes club members by filtering by the cell color blue. Okay, you can just select any of the auto filter, then go to fill by color, by color. Go to the color blue. Here, select it. Okay, that is done. So the blue is the field color that display the records of the club members, records of the Blazing Bikes club members. So blue is the field color that displays the records of the Blazing Bikes club members. It has been done. Task 5, mark completed. Okay, everything is done now. All have been done. Now, great project. Correct.